natural pa. Tie so be an make say, oh no, you are in business, but on register. So what you say with a Ghana Revenue Authority, which GRA, or qualify for a waiver of penalties. SSNK and no, they are accumulating arrears near the Adeni Nano. It's a Kautiano, and they ye flew at the amount for up to December 2020. Now, once you make an arrangement, say ubetia a principal tax no, and a penalty ni na ne arrest na kebe budi aguso no, and no sa waiver no, ebe you not just say on what me ahen kakra. It is seized this opportunity na efetua. Now, many taxpayers are taking advantage of Saadi and almost a saving thousands of cedis. The other now also won't take advantage of this opportunity. Now apply now. Now one is what tell not these small sana the ideas all dodgy. Wouldn't say a chua. You book any nana. It's a utianum wetia. Naya san crowd in Simuasa tassel. I know the day choas wetia. It is a way banana ye sa the edi gusuni nephew or there. And the other now ma when ya. Na unko GRA office be a ben ubia. Na a kabia ubian. Unko shem property. Come on. Said the bear. Or how can see a sincere remoenchi be a better Okomuno, Entimi Enfrio Emawo, or up to the 30th of September 2021. So best submit or application to the Commissioner General. One chance you say you DNA Webano, Moment coming out there when you musica, not just a sem and nasem koboko. But what they say, obey download the application form on the GRA website www.gra.gov.gh. And now between when you share any GRA office BR on Sabeka forms nibi now so I shall say etusa and amo in a boy pa. Taxpayers can also contact the authority through the following toll-free number in nature say and no etimi akomwa number no 0800 900 110 for further assistance via be here biano yebe more kai say sa offer we end December 2021 na chese or request ni na no say it me submit before end of September 2021 na ye di hudwuma kopim say 2021 be kwa wie no de na chese bibia aye kama edim ede ama anye sa na tefa ho de a wani tua e ka wodo e da wani mu a wona obehwe na watua sa e ka no enyina. Phoenix Insurance say you rise again when disaster strikes. Ni nyina ne se ene no se ekoba se udi dwumade bia na to renchen bia ba ya na de obeboa no e den pa ba se ekoba se o insurance dia ene no ase yeso regina wachi but any insurance bia so ne insurance papa no any Phoenix Insurance ya ye ne etua claims ne tempa na yen policies no so doors of fire, motor accident, marine insurance, engineering, bonds ni nyina edi mu akotene ene kura de akonya na ai chese kama kra se ubetimi ato insurance policy our bro use you short code *389*79* na ye twawatum. Very simple. BBNia o de frɛ 0302 246 319. You best sort out come on. Yes, I phrase 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. MTN Eguso celebrity ne 25th anniversary. Yeah, and I'm say would anniversary to say it, or say wo a can be and I'm away to me a bit do something so to say into you from when ye. Now, old me mobile Sufi and manager dinner or their credits from Kwamba and we MTN at 25 mega promo. Yeah, the Sonata 2021 edition, there no Makomako 25 and Abigu Montenswa, yeah, they check. The SOE answer because we use MTN number and for Casa for test for browser. Use MTN app no post app no mumu use no gaining more points. Now it's waiting me in your kai mubako. A kwanya first wash as in any so the boss *156#. Yes, then you begin your journey to win big on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Eti ayana wash no so. We dear my catch order that but just to remind you on the emphasis in the bamos and announce I didn't because September busumi ebaneri ya no. I can't just 2 days. Na ya killing no. And unti the Richoko National Essay Competition no. uguswa mahonya ha Otro essay our address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. So you'll be our upper primary, junior high, and I say senior high, not all Ghana ha. Now the woman said you were 100,000 Ghana cedis cash price and for educational supplies and now a bit me ako ediamao. Now the top essays in each category be receiving 10,000 Ghana cedis cash and another 10,000 Ghana cedis in educational materials for their respective schools, and all 4 runner-ups in each category be also ebinya cash price at their tertiary kama pa. It is the bombardier answer betro we are no more guardian and I say class teacher now parent I endorse so at the amount now what the 10 empty packs of rich choco 20 grams and I feel 1 empty pack of 500 gram rich choco and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich choco ashimwaka now what dropping off at the Accra Central Post Office, I feel Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet, and Waya Accra Central, Adabraka, Malcolm Plus, North Industrial Area, I feel down Suman, Spinkters, Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kisiman, East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afinya. She also said closing date for submission of entries no 30th September 2021. Unya further details are called Cadbury Rich Choco Facebook na Instagram pages no. Now unya details now unya ni na edi few terms and conditions account intimate we ayana washe and also so yakane in na edi agum. Happy birthday in advance and come Prophet Dominic Ando Owusu over here Gloryland Embassy International Church. Yeah, Watema Community 7. Any post office no edin hwani tomorrow happens to be your birthday. Wishing you a happy birthday in advance.
Honey. It's office sa unkuwa na unim Aquataps Food Safe ana. Salad ninu ya ba udini de piano. Aquatap Food Safe. Ana medoro ho. Asana wedio.
Omo sounds wo Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa omode ebulu munsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehonte ede ye wonda ade adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Osan kwada yisu mapomuden so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehonte. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you mu Aquataps Abama mo say ebejen it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA AG Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafili.
The taste.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Taste.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewe didie mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Ye che Hyundai Sonata mono chia baako eduenunum. Eni sika che di bebre. Ewo MTN at 25 promo mu. Kosua fa MTN no man frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa sika na fa send sika ewo mo no so emprepi. Enumu na wobenya points a wobetimi di Hyundai Sonata eduenunum a eye mono chia no baako. Eni sika che di pi. Boso me bia ewo MTN at 25 promo mu. Star 156 eni ya. Na se wakwentu a wodi bedi a Kisi Biase, MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shall say some use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensana Titinano, Menisua Netinami, and Menuma Tunino, a giant when you know now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina.
Hey,
Pharmacy, Kameka, and a herbal shop will be a Mukajo Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Ewonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction. Flower 0243983906.
And 0261-651-898. Right garlic capsules. And your draw tatashe. FDA. Ashisha sa ejadian kratoi ajatum say.
Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? For Pobiman Paint Depot and the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. Adensi for contracted. When you road marking paint. For Pobiman Paint Depot. Paint to quality usual. Since you are why you paint and pay later. It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. And see if you are assassin river wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I will stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So what Kumasi Highway? Pobiman Tobu to
na madwen ye me se sa covid ebedi eso afebo nanso ya ben pa se ye bedi eso nkunim akakakra bi mom nanso ye ndruye enti ye dru so a kowo wo pane no se wo pese wo kotwa skydiving e wo ko bi poso a kowo wo pane se wo pese wo be ko stadium a e ho abo mape na wo boaje wo ball boku a wani ji ho pa no live a kowo wo pane na wo pese wo ni wo twotwomutu e ko bia ya ye yisini anwumre bia kowo wo pane na yetumi aben adofo nom ebe hia se ye nyina be Wajumedi, enti ko wo pane no ema ye nyina Ghana man mo ye mfa hoden tadwumedi echi everywhere you go se wo pem kransha ko onemorepushafrica.com enkrato yi free MTN any yellow hope
Alandia Eva Peo she say we sorry na sheda fu fro yi ase ebe to me nyama bebre amawo Alandia Eva milk
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Mini mabusia de ya jeje ni nuane ko na boso gini sunflower cooking oil anwa wasone afi sunflower mu maduane che ya akono ade ba ko amepe wa gini anwan ho ne se maduane ye na gini mu a eyiyi baako ni hwam kra ne kume no na me ye salad gini mayonnaise nko na me hia esanse e ma no ye tasty ya sanso wa gini milk a ye non dairy creamer gini sardine ene sardine amepepa esanse wobetime de aduane bia na se wunya didi wo dokona wobehunu se ye good spaghetti inso ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho ne senti be ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho esanse gini mafie ye de gini die e koso edi age edwede nkrato ya to.
This is Adome FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Adome FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Air top.
Akuma Mutopi Topio Unimi Sunsum Heidi Machio Unimandiane When you're a dabba you're come for leave away. Hey, yes, sir, Dodger. I'm trying me. Hey, I can't lean down, I'm trying me. Oh, I'm on jet. I'm on jet. Hey, where you under control? Aye. Yes, I'm way. Walanyo in Akwetia says a happy birthday. Don't be late and come Aisha to Gibo, popularly known as Hajia Lami of Akwetia. Yesterday was your birthday. And now so Mr. Saddam birthday. Yes, Mr. Saddam of Mankesim. Mr. Saddam. Oh, Jeja. Happy birthday to you, Minia. Nyamisha no yo kese wate. One positive guy. Ono Rasta o share. So don't worry, oh baby. Don't worry, oh. Monday for you, city. I kindly wish my niece, Amy Faith, Mami Pokuya Esiedu, wish her a happy 5th anniversary today. You're 5 years old today, so happy birthday going out to you. May the good Lord keep shining His light on you. From your uncle, Kwabna Jollof. Cinderella. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please, a happy, glorious birthday going out to Reverend George Etiamo, General Overseer of Wisdom Gate Ministry, Ashali Boche, from Elijah Okran, Emisa Okran, Starboy, and the entire Wisdom Gate members. And also, me G Bakopa, the birthday, Mr. Emmanuel Shen, CEO of E.E Fashion, Waterman Newtown. Happy birthday to you. And may God bless you and bless your good heart as well. Yeah. Catch your wife, he said me so men then yes special, you know what I'm saying? We also say a glorious birthday going out to a sister from another mother, Vivian. May God bless you and give you a long life, good health, and prosperity. I love you dearly. And a happy birthday going out to Lovely. As I say, you watch I have been and I'm more hag about why. If I show how far. I was trying the irrigator sports air twice or more. See about quickly you to check yourself from Kel Kits toothpaste. Come on, pie around the mama frano. I want a strawberry flavor. It's more fun. The chum say, Mama, I said, you must tough, you know. A co year can say from 2 to 6 years for no. But you must say, Mama, it protects your gum, not prevent a cavity. And Mama Sunday are very strong and healthy. A band of freshness, they are all day, baby. FDI Mushimwaja to say, if it's Samara Company Limited. Kel Kids was a happy smile. Afe Pan-African Savings and Loans nso gu so a yɛatete so promo no. And the interest rate on the loans nso na we hwan the aba form. And to take advantage of the reduced rate, never grow business. You will Greater Accra, Eastern Central, Ashanti, and Afro regions in Nemu. From your direction to the nearest branch in the brand near your business. 057 555 777. That's 057 555 7777. Choose Pan-African. Choose greater strength. Dominion about powder. Your number one immune booster. And also you account for the amount. And normalize your blood pressure. No. I feel wow, heart or kidney related problems where you feel stroke, diabetes, nina kutiano. Nana Boachi Herbal, Hello Seba, Kings Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, Repart Ventures, a whole now GBO, and yes, I for Nichimu and Coco, also share Angel Domino Bar Center. Befray 0543 158 195 and our fee 020 429 6449. Afe you to chama floral disposable handkerchief. Unya bisana udi twi anim sana eno ano no. People anim kama. O show sa dia pepa. We etsin. Ada pepa. And they say me ncham fake. Mo hwen on Facebook no me die ni o. Die na me the occurred mutima yi kakra na because kata bi ni code bi afra etete me no. Di kakra ni ana mayi disposable kakra da. Also look out for Floral toilet roll, Floral multi-purpose paper towel, I feel Floral table napkins, and I feel Floral box tissues in a shop near you. If you Delta Paper Meal Limited, in 2 Perudo and 1 phrase 0243 033 033. You best sort it out, come up. Really make my day. Yeah. Bright garlic capsules. And they crowd on the plus abeshim. Not just a quenny yepa. Bright garlic plus capsules. Sebena Mojani Betty Dia Fusani ye. Proper blood circulation. Immune system subejina ye. Ubenya good appetite. Edi Adrianiatin Denya son faswa. Nothing I control cholesterol. Blood pressure and face sugar levels ni na dia mawono. A bright garlic plus capsules. Yeah, feed Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Omukria and my bright soja capsules. A memadru. Libido no ebejina ye. Sexual weakness never call waist pains ni na you to say low sperm count no so no. That solves our problem in the amount. Kings Walk Herbal. Hello Seba ni na Okanshi Drug Lane. I feel alternate herbal shops across the country. Tribe of Judah Kaswa and I do any more Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic and so on. Do be on your answer. But can yes our friend 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 898. Na yen sort you out, come on. MTN se koso use MTN number no fakasa fa test fa browse. Na use MTN app no plus app no momo no so use na more points. Na wetimi adi cash. Na fi wasenya a brand new car. Sonata 2021 di Makomako 25 e den abenya baako. Dial star 156 hash and begin your journey to win big only on MTN. Everywhere you go, terms and conditions apply. Finally, into Farmer Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot. Also, enjoy a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. From exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, flash doors, glass doors. Nina are available pricing so the years. Oba Painter from where partner with News Paint. Yeah, I can fat paint now, pay later. Diaba. Veggie paint for true down home. Schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, and then real estate developers. Who paint you and you spread this kind of money to you and crack. Our Brian for interest be and so. That's simple. When we check one away, Pubiman on the Accra Kumasi Highway. In fact, your Pubiman to booth was say Ujina to booth when he ate your shop no. Igitown DBR Fred 0542 745-222 and our face 050-021-2447. Yeah, man, penny phone kasa na fi yanko yenim.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. And watching now Sofi Kumchacha Esumu.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. Okay. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be amity Alligated Sports. There's no day minty Alligated because mity amity na me stress.
Nice one. Over.
The OPE program one Denisham Fast Sports one. Alligated Sports. Wadum 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame, Akwaba.
Kwakuno Joshua.
Ibia boko dia.
Ja, tempo anu dia na just yeti anwam.
Good.
Na fe so me said anti asembo ni bia free house of folk. Yeti an sense papa nko na da bia de tia de san Yankopon gusu a. O shia club na no obi aja bobo akaye pe. Na ye bobo amaga na nim apagya. Ama oma no akonkan nti mi sese
oho keke na bisa se
ajire mo abre bia e kuro no a
ranting bebrebe na why
so dey abasa ba mi akasa
mirror akwaba
ye ni akwaba
se oho ye de
Nyankopon adom yetiapo etimi kasa te chewa da bodwem le tese na adom nti
o ba bia ye
yetiase na abrantie ma tie no a ubisa nse oho te se da bia yetempo ano de ne tie anwam yetempo ano de ne tie anwam
anwam ne wo
na owi a wakase Nyankopon ya adom na se ha so focus esi nti oni se Nyankopon na adom nti no wakasa na se wote anwam mu
ananya anwam ne wo na ye wai
no
ba bia e nkra ha bia anwam wo
anya anwam nti na wote ase
no na ma metia
Nyankopon na ma wote ase
eno no na wo kire me ana
anti wu ni mo hu
na wo ka kire me ana mbese mbusa wo asem no
o ka nyina wi
ana banku ni nkruma na ma energy am dia ba ha ti wo de to aso
se nyame bia
kwaku
dia me
ana ma wo this mind
to boss mususu ntiatem mo ka sa tie 40 ase
don't mind this mind
kwa sama me no okay so what tie no a da bia what timpo ano de what anwi
am nimpa
se
mai se mai abeto chese
se wadane ayi o papa o firi mu kuri your friend is
papa de wai
NDC ni
ni pa u do so hwe kasa mi
oh asam foforo
Doctor
Asamfo bisa doctor na hote so
na nanom samafo adam
ani so mo fa ko
etiane ho so anwe no be fo ndo me fo akọ
obi ewu abekwa nwe mu pe kwaku
ye
ene me ra ho pa na de ntia me ra ho ne se Ghana ahwere ade na eye we no Ghana yie papa we no papa mo ampa kra se man stage barrier the Ghana for friend state barrier na you said that year money is significant TV so ba bia no na so na meka bibia de betimi asa papa you kra no say ye bi edema no kwaku de nti a menka sa ne se adwuma ye obi a ye na adwuma ye central for be a board for but enipa ni bi wo mu a
omo de so chen bi nom de
asem ni nyina na waka no ina se football obi e bobi obi e bo football ko player ko player si Ronaldo so ye footballer but anybody be ho a omo de no aya na said ka fracture emu pi me timi ka say other musicians no did not do well no but untimi nka Ghana nem ho asem edi na Kwame Mpadu empie mu
ato
ensida akoko binim ni federation wo ne nyuma ya de pa de wen
ebe den ne nyum bibire m de sa
but de yi ba ko
nyum Emilia
guitar
jai eno em de ena san we san nyum no memeti we mempe ayase nyum but
mother.
It is the only ayase nyum a em de pa
mother
I want to feel
no mother no Oda na uja mi seni. Oh, Abrafua.
Eye me dey.
A story. Say na a story. Ko ku hwe bia obe hu na fa fa.
Ose akwantu na se. Sa no de kwa kom say accident no
esi. But say model wo mu aro no.
Ai.
Say na model wo mu aro no.
Car ho nchroye no.
Driver. Nice.
Na driver bia a sosket you can a sosket to say.
Yeah. The man is too talented. Ko say no akwa to train no no. Me ni say
na obra ne say nya nyum ketua o. So what tragedy na o.
Ayo ne nyum movie. Obra say movie.
Dabi ono no enum na wo ye no. O utie no nyum na. Utwa foni no wo adwin mo say
it's like you are watching a movie.
As I said, we pay attention to the all canon. And I say, Utie, Ninyum na ye, and more Ninyum na. You want to listen and then to the end. I never quite see. Or sorry, and I say, Gugu Ninja. Or cast that I don't know more Canada down to me more dear way over there. I don't know my mother. Me say it is the only a year no more. I am a day. I'm in the 80.
Kwaku de more than a crowd, more than the chess. Adona uja miseni
Say munna voice nye.
Na sa nyimu say no, so ye ye no mo ba voice no. No de draw ye no betu no.
Kwaku be say there's no way a unu no so
ope amana ye eno ye o ma boajo. Ma me pe.
So ai o ma boajo. Na no bi fu Nigeria betu bi no. Free boto. Amana. The guy is too creative. Nobody why
enu ni.
It's no quagra. Is it one in what beef, one in what we live? Very beautiful smile. But your telephone, one minute, and number do know. But the Facebook was a see, I said, come.
You go. Be Facebook and I made it as I made the end there. 1,000 years ago,
Kwakuna ayi. So on one African Brothers and wrong.
Say ne band out or tea and
African Brothers band. No music hono o be ejuma kra ho.
Be.
Ba ko music ho da won. Kwaku ya sure.
No on ye dum.
Ba ko sa de man sa sa. Kwaku ya se already 70 73 or 75.
7 and
77. There be a new 77. I have a story about
check.
Yeah, but I can check it, but it's 77. Oh, do 76. 76. But also, I say 100 years, no? Because some of us young collect 90, because because when people say 80 thereabout. Because the name and number do know just
household name.
Which was at a very tender age.
77.
6 na waha. 6 na 7 dem fan say nyina Kwaku. Normally me say onipa bi say awu ade me bisa ne say o siesie nipa bi eja atiri a ade papa na wo ye no wen ebe to aso ana But could I make out myself?
Yeah, I got you.
Let me be saying what I say.
Yeah, me too.
Ne baby.
And so I band in be. Kokum was saying, I had talent to say it. We shall not waste. Papa will call a lecture music school at University of Cape Coast Crank and Yahweh. Could be out here? And as you be a academy, be such people, then getting Colacco. Ticket to oh no, I was a railways. Hey,
and then there's out 2 in Zuka say we know they are 2,000 points.
I meant to be one and blasting.
This is 77 now. We are able.
Okay, let's take the 77.
77.
77 because I cannot December by I can't just walk. So I see and can general panic room and to say 3 months. Fanka woman na enye 77 preko kwaku o man no ahwe ade papa
le gona na Winneba and your
music school no I Winneba yes but le go so your music any na bi ho but nem no krompara
ranket ya no ya no church
yeah on
yakonimu papa no so acho
yakonimu 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 from the Okumase. Okumo, Jacomo. Professor Ketia, the Nansen on also free move. On the above, they were free move. And also free move. Kwaku, and Padu can be compared to the likes of Ephraim Mumu. The county as a Kwaku. You deliver to any panel. If you do it from Mumu, anthems near the Adeno, the road they play the music, a similar position can be given to Ampadu. Only Ampadu Emrane.
Dediam.
Ampadu Dediam. Kwaku, no one. And I know
Minimba.
Okay, a Jason on here, dear.
I said, a J-Codie.
A J-Codie. Sir, I don't for you.
I'm on for
a Kwaku, so now I are there.
Oh, Kakana is where I do come dear. Oh, dear woo. Oh, he might have come money. We know the command. A dear woo, I swear.
So Pambo. I demand so Pambo.
What to my man no good. I said, and come to the guidance and he was asking how can. I demand your company, Makwabana, and then they are about to. That's a new program, Biaza. Never told what a number do we are do.
Betesana will be Sase Ujaobi. Say the Panampa do at Tom Domodo. Why did you cram and have a bonum? See, they don't come in.
Ah, do what they are. How food in the back
or Sekofi.
Prince
or Sekofi. Prince of Sekofi, yes.
Honestly,
only African heroes.
I will free one of what African
heroes. Craft. I want to get you come appear for draw. It's your PC.
So when you're sure it's not me train on honey your field.
Brady or Booby.
I just come running up with you.
I just come running up with you. Yes, yeah, dear.
I sure said Cotia said okay.
Oh, no, you man not just a never so wound him just a
crown.
Otia,
and a minimum Cotia.
No, also a dear, okay. I Miss A dear woo, would I try? Open Papa. I produce Papa. Ono crass or no so. I no so dear woo. The high crime, Nana said, which are catching book or dear oh, Davian is our crab, and you know who cried. India won a the tongue of food. We can be a dear one. Sana, I brought to be why are you so beginning a maubu? I brought to be error news. Oh, Fiemuna, they say, one here. Now, or wrong news now, I say, my was some bad newsroom pet or bonny dean pair. Now, or the Bakubia account said they always say, oh, sorry. There be a one can be my brother. Or come on to you. Watch my PSA. I quite can another story. No one fat watch my PSA. Be my brother, Mamma Onka. Sana man also other or Hano. Now, oh, yeah. One was walker. News be an idea for Bomua. Not a dimba who be or the Edgina. It way old Debbie Mintimka. It will oh, yeah. When a Kosoana, Nana Dana. Opening a tongue crab, I say. Why can't you say
when you say comment abeni na amafo ekanya say wo kasa mu stories a wo kan wo ehia de wo mu ni ade ensem no say wo nyum na toda obo part one dra talk do wa me bo Fridays am be bad da now say you wa obo part one obo part two na so enye complete and our type of songs no so ye ba ye nkasem just say wo kan asem ti say wo nya anyu na mana mo a nipa na wo ti asem no nya nti asem acho wo asem no fa
yo be that say say o be ye fu a as say o bo a wo ho ene waso ene onkrante ebra na me ko school no na manage nyom nti me yire mo se mesua de titru mesua twi kasa mesua brofo mesua konta nti bra me ba ya me be nyontofo no na manage akenkan ho nti na me to anansesem nwoma ene bosremuka nwoma nkrofo atwero na me hwe mu nsem no
me no aya na sa enyamane mo
nsi ya kire bibia na efe na anwensem
mo kan na nsem ya na we ni
nti menyum na me twa na me fa no anwensem kwan so na twero no
because we say
me had me answer na me
is a real story so some now can ya na real story and I say
when they are like
ebu o ha ebu ha microphone na de cheme
woman ya is o ejeme
anyum to say ebiti
ye Esther Smith
o run what the chairman na fe no
Esther Smith back to back and then people started sending messages is she dead is she
some na ma yo kodua je
onipa na wu ansana
jobe ho no se small boy wanu ati na story de no ato se do to kodua no be
enya no papa na me say that Smith am na wu that day
o na me so ka na me ya widiwa want to
them no some na wo kan na wo sha de he was o
na me so
et sen ka enne mum na ka sen na na ye be so
enne mum na me bum kompo hwe anyuma me to ya na me hu se na me hu ya mama so sa brand de nam se sa ndi ko fia du no no de ebiti ya kama anyum beti se kukuru obi na dema ya menia owura bi ya freno mesedu onu no de ya menia record is about numbers it's not about quality ntina make can say all can quality there I don't know a different debate about can numbers there and make
and ode the quality no kura to nchen kura na that era no a otimi de yes anyum no na de beto enei obetimi akotra sisi a enra anya na small boy ba hai within the shortest possible time now or the Nokia ringtone yaye beat enra in etiti a small boy kiki what why beat how many minutes no there me wa nana kwame ampadumu time no wo ko frago fo mani na begu dem o bandsmen ni na ho and na mo record bibia live oba ko ye mistake pe you have to start all over again and it wasn't that easy so one era no timi produce ye and I can no timi ye anyum bebrebe we nyina na sa credit no on timi ba meto
therefore so much sound bi o timi hwe ho asem
sound medium ahade bibia
da bi onu monitor
omo complain bibia ni o but when you ba kono mesra wa mon check ni am so enhwe e wo mo side ho
na because the teacher account so new teacher Africana
on so far
me papa favorite musician ba ko pa no me papa
feeling pa ni wa boa no biye bi ma wa ba man
oh kwa sanyo ni minimpa men senyo no sa
ba ne ni papa tia
wa dinde woni wa ni
anyum na kama sem
biye bi ma o ya na o re fie
nipe
ni wa boa sanete
ena mo mo mi na sela mo frem se mi nuanu mu
ana mo be bi na nya
opani asama eya na me kan ya me still a different ase but before say ene meka sakwa
me ba kwaku we de we ayi ba ko pe dabi da o so pesa wo de on kasa na wo de obi kana be de a wo de obi be de so okay mami we de obi nyina ne say asem a na ye kan ya ye kan obi chi anu asibone enti ma me kwete ade no di ewuo na mo ka no wo se papa ne mpesa adi ntimi me pa cho enye no kreda say President Kufuor so on pay say the ewu edi na enye no na yeka de na yeka no eye far from no cry enu ebi fufo de ewu no de ende waje atumu ani obi anim de esrem bebre montria no kosi bone esrem a se enche na koto ase wa banti no mo hwe ni ya afiko anim
akwa de akwa kure
wada mem se na no me di tudwa se me license ayira
o chere me se wona na kasa
request buy no
me be hu me dio
openi in fact your services okurum hanu ma more than perfect. I'm telling you enye se bia even me ko do na yankasa no some also your presentation or meeting and once you introduce me or the me ko ra yes we mo be for prestige and a DVL from headquarters more prestige service within 10 to 15 minutes na ya replace license now
say na was system that pretty bro and now coach my direction be call me
Christ the king down no say
DVL head office
if we ekwana flat out to be far call
switchback road
Italian embassy on side
road need no switchback
road parks and gardens no them say
na sport be a man won chame the baby
Kwame enemre mu tie Kwame enemre mu yenra ubo switchback road ba eno ado meko
old traffic light and flat house you opposite pass akwa na that's here on so
that's here so that we call the black more sport no
the black way
wash baby on the akwa
me nim the black sport
oasis only oasis
me see me nim ho opening me ho me go there
Kwame me say your phone no switchback road
eno ado be ko keke
no just go
okay because me see me na ya
opening me to chema nanaya in fact fast track pa na Mr. Dallas oye in charge of prestige office or no almost services in here just excellent say yinya offices are almost 7 crore in that manner and come oh come on
but go offices be also bet my and fast my but minimum the entire
and I mean say yinya offices are almost operators are I think say nipa be tipa yeso beti what I say
because passport say minimum the entire charity and I am going to check background checks and
that's my business sign mo sign and inside best set nipa na was na utimi
who could say me again and equal
ono ko na
3 months 5 months
ko na se den sada kokomu kra
this all money
okay obane be man na badu tribute kakra na ye nto aso fa other stories na nto aso
na na tribute there o kan ma na kosi say unse ono ankasa no me personally I think say you celebrate no more even before so before because of Nyuma Penti to the extent that you born adum to for hine and so I did not title no cry even over 30 years
obi akra me ho so no
be say adum to for hine no enti you celebrate now ka say music na o company for na wo
position there I remember very well
and why any ma bebre e wo abrabo we mu a e deserve say eye nipa esua okoya to the sense of so for crime yes and
contractor
me kai 92 from 92 to the year 2000 koya in the politics kakra me no be fa ho be twa amanfo be twa na da pa voice was switch ba MPP side so no so
ko green kakra so ba blue kakra kai
yes hey emre bi that time aye wo SS96 ho ne esi amano kwan bios dey
na America so road
contract ba no bebre o na nya no kre
eno ho atem didie pa
bebre o nya no kre
oh come on that obey the day
ni nyina ka abrabo no
ye di nim ne se obebo odwom atete amanfo bi amanfo adwem no mani odwom to
amadu ko ne concert da
oh yes one of the best performers of all time and nansen bi obey mre na obebo bi program bi anipa na hu ni ye by can African
performance bad
oh come on
some ya kola me
kola na sa no
obetimi then times obetimi agina fa akono ka so obu atopa
ana unse ono so obonyo osakita guitar no it's a money flow ni ye fe sa ne concert yi abawa mere no kwa na hwe ansa na mba ne cassette no mamba yi village abe yi ya me
ase nemafo no enyimru bo outie bi ebe yo debate uhun nipa live at that time say or enyum no or performing it live animu a you love the song more than Zebia utie se ebo no radio so enti no monyum no na omo de ko nipa ne nchen Eko concert many pani hunu.
Enter na Obrano, I saw him perform the song. Say in Satam, you discovered the concert we should board be. I have draw. About phone and Tanya, I know what's on.
Angel, and yeah, the other side, yeah, the room. No more the other actually. The one who is put me slow, and the border power. It's just free. Yeah, I could see vantage point.
And you ran one, won't require, you ran one myself, and
the leader said the man leader any just aboard no switch na match and crop for and when you see ya so you committee you free one so be the make be a fan na dey nyumre ni akọ when we ship am say we one so be me so na some ni ebetie
na ball cry nkwara ball timi hwa ball re timi hwa was ufrim
na ball dey odia
was ufrim woni bi sa wonya no hwi just action no nti
na so ya one musician in fact me man who musician bia na ye ba ya man hu no ase this year bia bia bako bia no bon say oh
asamo di kan ja
yes because say that be free mu no Mike two betra na ni empre den na enkrofo anko na ye oh na oye na be owie program me friend am say masa wo hwan ya se na ko hu say that be o the fact say we born you in church over we ye beba
yeah be there years sana o years dey sana here
oh yes and I dey born my no anything na penifo ka say what you say also do
so we go koja
and be say yes say we any fear yes na akoya ko hu das bre o me come for like me yes me ka
rasta don funeral
so be man yes
rasta man don funeral
but oyobia odu jijan oh programs and go for our real parties as obu on one 7 your musician be on one o ko pie baby na o ka ye nse betonyo baako but on few gra
that's why you can be fool
but nana emfa ho so ba be du horo na o tonyom
no ba be bo
o melody na de bonyom na obeji microphone na create bibia atum within some few minutes
yes wasa baby
wasa potena de baby din am we feeling the presence no
abanu so your kwani
oh yes minim ba
Inti
brana confirmation na aye issue say be confirm so free man because anopa me ne kwam na mo ne ba kwam na mo akasa ne epesi hu time amam for air course wawu no na ne ba nso gina hospital na bontia on so chese ne papa wa emergency a omu
ye
eti later na fe me friend
na na omo hu ewi sunsun wi asimu komu afọ komu afọ
oh they be paramedics ni bi kura wo inside ni mpokura because omo nim ni nti no they will tell somebody so ni pass mercy ababi say the eja tagi be ya afi na abakwa bibio yes na ebia nipa na busu ani na nkasa kura hu nti later na me friend na afi dia na ne phone no call off no me friend so obo ni nyina ne free obo
amunyina yobofo
yes iti me frɛ obo me frɛ no mfa na me frɛ obo ba Ruben ka kyerɛ me sɛ o kwabna ba oluma ho no ne no kra sisi on net abontinam sɛ ne on fa phone no oluma ti bisa no so on kra wada ne e ka kyerɛ ne sisi na me sa man de ma komna no sɛ enya ajigo ti
de go
de sia
nta busia nse de na Ghana man nyina so ense de
ne de irrigated na ko
yeah
so man mu nyina wa rehu nti Bible si mo ne wo mo esre no nsre
na mo ne wo no sunsun na kwaku mu ya wase yase ensu atoto ya nipa ensia ewu kumase
yase ayi your friends saying 40 footer container across zone action
kwaku da bi container ne de ma me fa to kakra ma ta ato da bia aya ye ntie me mam yasem so menim se na meka no
yakokoduro no
omo wo de kyerese ensu na yi no obi antimi nko no ka bia park no tela no duro no de wo fam ena ni bia gina kyerese so ko bo tela no se o fam dia bo ne nako di no mo bo asem ni nyina no no mi ansa na eto mo guru ne de o mo nyina ko bo tela ne ho se tela ne fo ni ntwam
but you see say ensuo tie baby the two things ensuo tie baby na emu edo no say de tie no ka keto afamu a ebetimi akoka no munti no onko a ka kese e wo so nde obetimi afam ai no ye tie baby enne so ensuo a ayiri a entwam eno current e nam ase no
okoye odu me do na fa shift
eno no de ebe sweepiu
na shift
as a sweeping
ebe sweepiu de wako and the men kasa o ka no wo so ntu betwam ensuo etwam akose na dangerous.
Avoidable deaths no say me tell say ha me.
Kumasi say me tell say me fu anya me wanwa. Because of the me mako Kumasi am do me nyaku.
I didn't see Kumasi.
Western basis Kumasi say pelifo Kumasi am for mo 9 NC for mo.
I didn't see Kumasi because
baby say unim unim da kodwom. No da kodwom. Before so be branch akọ Atasmaso. Before so be do TUC Junction.
Because areas here be Atasmaso kan ho.
And making saa ho ni nyina no opening ufi baby despite fee fufuri awasi sania ba besia ko santasran about left baby on kumpreko no ho nyina ye nsuom
na nkrofo ko sidan
sisi a ye ka say o ma je wasa say be go station ho yo so ka ka o pese fa hin
e baby
sanka
na don planning for na mo krum ha na ya no mo wo he me dey say ko na da bia me bisa wo
omo ho na me
ko Kumasi na say ko say na ho ye nsuo but enne e ya dan into say how
the way a man for sisi o mo dan rough say on fa ho de nya so be nya ska obeto abo ni anwe ano afele
o si
and o fele so a hwe obi won mo ya na obi di mpo ase Dubai ko mo pia apoko akire na mo fele eno no mo ya eye eho architecture no mo nya nto ba say
na wo do ko yes o fiti ya no mo aye
unje are na ye pia free ha no efiri ha no mo ha na be kwa ha so e kwa enkonko ho bi ba we so individual no mo say
wo de
tie de aka bia
emfa kwa chire mpo say omo ka say Dubai ya pia Ghana ha ye omo ye bi mi ehu eti enye
afa problem ya me
aha community 3 ha ye port expansion omo ye na ho na anya nsu
technology
e no mo agina technology ho and no enye so fiti ya na wa ye keke a lot of planning goes into it even omo ye undersea blasting now omo ye no enti edu ba bia omo design be si o kire time ko on be blasting no say the be ya obi anko bi chuo ne ade na no e wa ponase no e blast ya kopim say omo timi yi epo anwea no bi fi ho and some of this are aboa kese no e failure to a certain level no mo de aboa didi so aba saa to say bedu ba bia metimi dia abia begu so and e create land no enti eno no nya wo de na wo koto latrite na de akogu tadiem
it is say kokoben ahema kokoben sakoban daban because areas when you want to see us in so you hold that those days no
they say hono hokra no omunisa problem no sa Obuasi road no so
e tukwa kuni pensia akola kra odi 9 years cross aka ho ne boni o ye so be pure oman a yantoto ne ma yie because say so ye to de kwaku e wo mi say broche nyen so yiri enye nso efo nipa ni binie enso how many millimeters o de egusa frefo weather forecast won say enso na to man day ni nyina no e ka bo mo ye say say fadi pa mo
omo ye sisi so na bi so sisi gata so be fama ko be ko na
no ye debate fi na ka say nkasa sen ko fo ni nyina ma ban so ya ban ye de ma aban ya MPP na wo so de ma MPP for NDC for wo so mo be ma NDC for the kro ni mi hu say mi hu de anya kro ni biem
ye man no sa ni aye no
ko kwaku abrochenya de ye timi ye akwan kro wa sa na dan aba o
enye say
sa no mo ye
say enye say timi ye sa no mo ye no
ezo bitia na akota asa akota na baby say ana
utiminya
running for dibra our Bremen area ho Bremen area ho na brono mi refi brono mi ame koko hu no bi se land na ho ono ma clear so na o ma ye
twakwan na tumle out bia tu
ni atitia to ye twen atofo be ba
koko mle ya utimi afa road so kosa no go si obi wo e kire be go mto bi si no buka na wo fo so na mkwan so wo kosa obi wo ni
ya na mwana mwe hu yanzi akupi obi vie
aka sei
o na se mako fadi esa wo yi o kaso akwan so obi no na me de onipa no eko airport na o send your friends the location e ma me
GPS
and na me diswa poa na mkodu unduka so kumu ankasa mum de na me kwa timi duba bia say me branch na I don't pepper na me branch
tuba hona na
and na me call ya o sign kire me say me sign branching ko see on the right I feel I'm moving to the right me kosa dead end makosi just ya to adina sikim and I'm saying ne kwan me wan so adina e kire me say me destination wo ahead e baby adina si na wo ho no me wa kwan bia na obi me kwan ko bi
obi asi da
sana GPS ne de anka de watch me no anu ba say obi asi kwesi ho no enti me bisa boys na on me call place bi say me here and I'm so me PF or namin call the next road no na me come me koye no edmi ko si ba bia na me ba na block na chi wo pe say ho na me ko so obi asi den asi kwan num a wo kwa enko
Kwaku na oya kwa broche wakwa amusie wa broche da
yeah
okwa ru hu hosan
oh said I who movies mu no za na te different
na do da na amusie de o yu musa
mo obi aka me bro na me kana kronom kwapra
kronom nyezo yi ho
dabi ho na
o na so da
no atete plot na layout bi adem kama no
I have never be a good
Ghana story
yeah
Brazil jealous woman poisons ex-lover his girlfriend and dog Debbie and dog 3 days
to their wedding
normal kramano no bi e pa cho mo kwa dem online story no na e radio
cemetery here me say na o fa to na tie for hwe da kwa asem ne say on the chese rasa man bi no owu ye na accident ni ade anti na tade ya hye no no de kosie no na obi ankodua ahwe na ewura bi afifiri woni na ne so ti mo amu hwe da ni mo haban mu de me say fon to ne ya hwe say
ane e bia na hye no botom
o me ya to rasta botom
o GDC di
a few months later no
and I say when see any way so an chene nzuo to it
gymnasium timi akoso ajaza manfo aye oye ni ba kese a gymnasium say e dua ben kwakufu ni hwe say woni nuam kakra
obi omo odi bia of the friend no da bi nya no kra
obi hu idea kakra
Dabi fatu for no odi bia of the friend no ahaban take your mo bibi bi omo odi bi za
take your mo asaban friend ahaban take am wa
we ahaban de hye
e bia hu
bia o se ayin tiantian say afafu
na kwakufu amusie na e wo ho no sane enue wo ye ne kama
na say we kra de kwa me enyefe amusie we kra de say we de
amusie aja so
utimi ko amusie bi pa hu say yes this is a very beautiful place very calm
so boni e kana zaman na amusie kra ya organize
ba o hwe say de fifiro bi hera na dua e
da bi say omo hu ya na pie firo rasta na ne so
ene omo kosie no na omo to we no bi na hye da ye
na o mi de mi na mi ni ma haba ni ntina me say de ba be busa mu mo be ku say
ba caption no zuti de diabolical very diabolical they buried Ras without checking his pockets. Now see.
The Rasta man.
Ajiba bia.
Na kwa kusema na oka video we o me de kire yi. Yeah. Obi a poison no. Lovely.
Yeah.
Jeko ma me video yi. Asem bi asi kuma si adum. Ghana ha ya.
Adum ha
ya. Na ya na mpanimfu ba bi se abedi ya cha bawu. Na we de
bebo wa yi mu na wia.
Atofom.
Kasama no kokotwa.
Enye twa bia kan dia kan to.
Kasama no kokotwa.
Kan story na kan to aso na enko ni but ensan ko ba bia ko ni. Enko hobi. O de ko ni ko ni.
One oba bi atena pai wa bra. Wakoto se bi one be ma bi. Ejina ho na hwe ani o man komo mu die ni ade no ahye wabufuo da.
Ugotie ko mo za.
No. Uko hu no. Oba ye no reaction na to say na hu no say
go girlfriend be ma foforo din komo.
O girlfriend. Now girlfriend be ma foforo din komo wa we no.
Kwaku yambe so hu
oh how.
And they natural.
Oni ni din komo keke no.
So hu say o girlfriend be ma foforo mama. Naturally no.
Ya tie fo ni ahwe
you feel it and there.
Oh but
let's make your band on pen. Me kan so ko kunto ko.
Me mom there me me jealousy level no enye sa mom.
Enye jealousy o. But who say
someone who's about Obama for my girlfriend?
I know girlfriend in it you. I said, "Oh, girl, come bring me her." Oh, drive your man. Who cares? You know who say? Oh, yeah, branch be china. Branch and call. Who said the name? No. Why you jam? So I'm buying. Oh, we didn't come. When you put the shop, oh, you best answer.
So, parent, go on there.
I mean, natural instinct, and you can't do anything about it.
Yeah. Now, at your former should be. Papa,
wait, there so around.
I was saying, boy, in the funny here. No. Oh, come here, man. No, yapa.
Wait, almost around. So,
come on.
Jai mundia sana.
Afana kwa eduma
na mo yan samoni.
Waso ore na yereda.
Aha.
Na sa watete boy no wonyane nti ofra yie ba no hu se akwane na moadu.
Na no ai sika branch am ko nwa no.
Kam be man kam. Attack one.
I can't make it 4x4 no.
Dabi tie the orono.
The orono ay kwabrane yere no. Na use 4x4.
I no use 4x4 black.
Na kwabrane no car no wachire. Na blantan no dem.
No otutu ntoma de hwan.
Ono ye fro na yere no.
Obi fro na yere no.
Yeah.
Ana kwa no si free 4x4 black one.
Ono ye fro obi yere no.
4x4 ni de kwabrane timu no.
To kwabrane to na si achire ho no.
Ona so no so Kenya Highlander.
David ebi di bibia ji exactly.
2021.
We ayo sa Toyota car we eso chen ayi Sequoia so wan na no crash chen Land Cruiser V8 no eno eso pa
Sequoia ni we ayi Highlander 2021 no 2019
na they are running
into Oceano no won na oba no kra ni ho
so attack what attack one
oba ne nka no ho enye se Oceano no oba ne ko
won ka no ho
wo pe akwa no wo hunu ju hunu no akwa iso ni enzo osi ye kwatwen brantan won ka mu a wodi be jinjam no
wazan ko hwe no betu
e de hakofo guni so
police watch no na kwatwe se kan wo krom se ira kwa ya
adum krom
adum kwasi adum abonten so
na adum be kwatwe no ma okita brantan
e shall come
wakwa no watete no na wote so
hwe se anka won ade we se nya ne koko ne course no ye na adwe so teki ash no wa e nanka onya abotre akwaro de nyansa pa kwame hwe se ankonya abotre edi akwa na chi tenten kakra no kopie
baby obi ani
baby nipa ni wa anka wudi asi dadada because said na o yes kan no
mami hwe video na sika an shantu manu mana
dabi sika no woni kam no koyie
se
o de ka koto se
o koto se no suwie no hu se dabi
sika no so
obehia reinforcement
of sika no
o ko kari ko
kan so sika mu
no o tim sa quarantine woto ye
ko na papa yi won unim se ade ai man pe kra papa yi
ene wanya
ahe kra fe ko no o mani bi kra ntafri bi
afe na oba ne de be ma be ma no mo
ade ne kra
se man pe o sebi we nyansanim
nyansan bi ani
oye na akoyi a oron yi edne nsa wo woni no ani boy ya
no nko se de hanko fa
wani mi nu ho kra no
o de wo yire
no wabo wani ba kwa kan ho
e na onim hwe ade we no
nyansanim
me ade we ba sei na onipa ese se one ne dele ye oyire. Why not? It is not this guy or Tikan. Or you didn't say on in a daily.
Do yeah. I
can't say.
But I before being
Bema na Bema Eco Ba Hon to Quanu and Niba or Banu Bija.
I have had Obi Fire.
I from your mind of Yadon. Ah, how do we are not to them?
I don't know who.
Maybe will be on family.
You saw Bubina, Washington comes 18th October. Said a lucky you know, South African 18th October, Nankasa Ghana, so musician can see this will be. I see a friend say Bishop Stephen Akwesi
or a Ghana
on the Casodi Titi.
Medasani, my name of him say, I can't say.
Ah, yet Sophia Trini.
I see a friend Jesus at home.
And it's in as you didn't
was it Charles? Charles is so there's another Charles Lumba.
Ghana so for the
me bow. That circumstance now. A man with we and San Bina or person Chelsea BC and as will be lucky to be
inside the Megacity 20. Now,
that be your canoe, maybe because anybody will be the and that day on to need
also Mompire.
Oh, now, Omunya is out there now, mind game.
8 lucky to go 8th of October.
Nana, so what do you any?
But say I'm a moon so many as a macro there and
I'm Mompire and Emina Bisham say, yeah.
Settle on the cross be Beshawa. And on the Beman lean way be or the baby Boko.
But I never catch it. I say, I buy a year to it near Bernie. When who said I
just a
different but you need to different back.
Oh, there, bro.
Reggae artist, lucky to be here. The same in 18 scenario, no.
Oh, was it the same scenario?
Your friend is saying, they did a chance, they can't charge.
Such as someone so tells you.
Yankupona you show the dining of a monk. The Yankupona you want pampa. Oh, my chance and go.
Or that cannot ban hopeful.
From trouble.
And you watch us for the
chance for me. I didn't know
of trouble free.
Young friends,
back a program, your friends are Charles Fulling. And I friend there.
Honestly,
gospel. I could be a friend in Charles Foley.
We got the kind of a baby as in the gospel artist.
Gospel for the woman. Your first dama, a Kel charcoal toothpaste. Madama almost when I say me I get sports a bro. Now Nina say we know you are to a boss at the charcoal. I want to come up and stains out the walls in soon never call unya good fresh breath, whiter teeth, come up pie, prevented cavity so but more than PBH check I have so I move him waja to say in we pass Samara company for Nakofa thereby available our market baby Kel charcoal toothpaste happy smile. Afe as they do on come Royal drinks. I'll see you go like add the pa 2 cities 50 pesos. Now I did chilled bottle back. You must to be Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail, Royal Cola, and then Royal Apple. Come on, pa. Now on so second the Efficasa Preco Company Limited. Go TV said new to me stay connected on Go TV. Now I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and other leagues out on Akanina connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities were using my Go TV app. Now they're connected bend down sweating me will be Go TV. Love it. And I say in boost herbal mixture. Police near do papa. Yeah, no so airboy na we miss system let me jina brane. Na kwentia ya do who do nyina ntia wunya say yare ebo wato ansa wakono modru we no yare ntwiniti ano no fight against it na chese wona all sin no Kings walk about Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribal Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country, and I feel health alert shop was St. John's be and obo room Little George Health Shop for Tema Community 5 as well. Obinya Binyesa phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now do be on Yebiano on Sa Aka. Once again, me to check Emma, my sweet wife, Mrs. Mensa. I are dear pa, cause Kuana Kukuha Homete. Now I crack Ramiana still I gusu koyanim na ene yedi mfiem yenu. Nyame nkoswana unshira na said o me ho abotra na ukurukura me no kurukura me sa na bibia enye fine. Nyamisha pa nyamisha afa yaba bedi nkomotew e wa ha but before I bedi san komo no abusua enei de omu nyina ne se ade bi wona se ebo akwam na wanhwe no wanhwe ne yipe na akwakoye ohaw e de amawo enuti enenei no ye ka wo se yare yi bae no yare ne nhye danko sa etete kwanche ha yi a etide se o ya ne se wobekoswa na niema ye de boy ho ban no wakurukura mu yie yese ya atai wo nsa nyese bibia ani a wani boy bibi so ana odon se kotum kodibi tai ho nsa very 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 important na be ho nsa dia Life Boy liquid hand wash eno ene betimi aboa wo na ene no ama wonsa ho ate wansen kama na wanfamu ankwankonya yare bia indeed Life Boy liquid hand wash eno you want 2 variants total and a fee herbal ya label in red and a green respectively now the active silver ingredient no amount superior protection against all germs yet very gentle on your skin actually enko for how bia emfa emre on san hono ne ade na anti bomodin pa bi ekira kwan na onso watimi e de abo ho ban choose Life Boy for 10 times better germ protection. They are available at our market baby, supermarket, pharmacies, neighborhood shops, hold on any na on sponsor etimia candia. Na no enko dan channel and they the big talent show no so no good and then I just say they bro on your screen where Adom TV so so then go for you want to tapuline shatter Wi-Fi ne Paul G ne Ankaba ko Big Solomon Fred Obed Bieja C Naughty Short Prophet Faith Power Queen of Peace ne cheze wine Dawson na we no say utimi hwebi na hu said the echo so make a date with Adom TV where launch the first season of the Big Talent Show this Sunday the 3rd of October 2021 8:30 p.m. and at Jumedian Bebaso our Adom TV so in partnership with Darling Lemon Drinks and at the Big Talent Show bro and also sponsored by 21st Clinic Sciatica Expert Eniomo and our Dominion about powder on number 1 immune booster papa omo etechiri and a desanche we brotiano modern ashen susana also the one Jimmy. And then this weekend too at the Junction Mall, the 3rd clinic of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair no abroad and then from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. That's a Saturday week and a Sunday week. And so with me following on social media. Now we use hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Now they are calling their band now with me. And for further inquiries, phrase 054 690 8179 and after 054 011 0389. Now yetimi enu edin kita nation also say the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Plant City Extension Project by Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. And Afei DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. On a Kahubin so any Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. The Joy News EcoBank Habitat Fair, everything housing. I was saying by Sia na yedi akana so.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste and twitwi missing. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa. Na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane maame num di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no MSC fita e mana hoden ne sayi nka bia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mu amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kale happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
Your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa. Suing you know, a boy who buying every home. And now I'm pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num imbusaba mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo, imbusaba mesa, and walk Kashi, and you may move bia your toe in row, at to form friend 0246 20 84 96. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Magia to Musay.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste and twitwi missing. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa. Na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania mamenum di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu. Bidie wo Kel Charcoal toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. Emana hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, now shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk, what will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratu yi FDA agiatum.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal, and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A, and DStv Premiership. Live from SuperSport at 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
It's the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats. The third mini clinic comes off at the Junction Mall on Saturday 2nd and Sunday 3rd October from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Join us as we help you resolve the to build or buy dilemma. But if distance is a barrier, you can join virtually from wherever you are or follow us on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. For inquiries, call us on 054 690 8179 or 054-011-0389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, manufacturers of high-quality UPVC and HDPE pipes, fittings, and rotational molded rod. Where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited. We truly are your roof expert and renters paradise. We help people and properties find each other.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Hey, me network imbafia me. I was me dim mobile money. Tia me wafa workers car. Charges some 380 cedis.
What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement $10 so. Me niati. Se ube move ko Vodafone cash and ka ube service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne die.
Tie. What send this ka was saw network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. What send this ka Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network. Be swap. And so you're free. Masa into work at them. What does so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says
hey masa you chip not to ball musisi.
I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network. Be swap. Are you free? Send this do be and prend do be got network. Be so free. Dial *110# says in a send this.
Ophir Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station.
Adom FM 106.3 This is high definition. An explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
And we are back. Yes, check the time now. 37 after 5 on 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station, y'all. And Chibiani and you know what I'm saying? We also I want to thank the Obasima people for the wonderful gift. So thanks to you, Papa Bills, and to you, Jerry Justice, and the whole crew. May God bless all of you. I'm very, very, very happy because it's been 6 years I started listening to you guys. And that's my first time of calling. That's the first time my call went through. And thank you so much. This is Sister Emma of Sacramento. Sister Emma, more greater things nearby. And then a happy birthday also going out to Madame Rita Aquile Adote, former parliamentary candidate, aspirant, Edema Ningu Pram Pram. Today is a special day for you, and we, the people of Ningu Pram Pram, wish you the best of God's blessings. May you live longer to rescue our constituency. From Bismarck, Bosom Pemio. All right, so you need to do Koaka. Alaji, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Now, Bibia Boko there.
Shediam for Yanku for the room.
Nice. Yamama Kwaba. Good. And Henia dear Nietzsche.
And near the Nietzsche, Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic. I walk Komumri Haya, do TV Dankasi.
Yes.
Roger, I am Kase. I had a year quite. It's a be a free, but be a free, but be a winner, but do a from Haya. That's all Busa security for no depia, one, a boy, money pana, who are mobile in a winner.
Sure.
But you're 10 years, my. Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic, bia ya ba ya di abibidro ene dijuma. But you're 10 years, my. Abibidro no obi oha and the cross mo bika chem so obi se diabetes in yedro. And now em will be cancer diabetes in yedro emanin faun ko wom. And now em will be cancer fibroid na wenya no eni yedro emanin faun ko em faun ko wom. And a ment now mo bin ka say eye problem na abeto so no. I see glaucoma na abaso e 10 na abaso no kokoye operation e be wiase na abawa to them and until Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic I dey aba Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic e ho no menye operation no ho e na menye fa aduro so nye de emfangu wani ni so wo haw na e bai no oba mehwe na maye den mama aduro a obenom eyen haban no enubna enusini enuanom bia ba ne nuana haban e na twedi amponyankopon de na me nananom so a ye hira so de e de ahye mensa ba cho tieni ye mame Alaji Vision Herbal Clinic obedu hona ye ne yankasa ye hata enuro an de ye adwuma nti udu won se abibidro na ye den e ye adwuma obi abeka ne bia so insha Allah e ye adwuma ma ye den ne hoto no se wo ma no ne ewiase afa na nyina ba bia wo bia mpacho medika de number na todwa ama waje number na frɛ mpacho ji number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 epacho tie ebia wo de hye bia stroke abona to na no meka bi se obi ho a ebia wotimi nya obi mane ma na dro mane nom but na nantie no abede abeye dia ma na hodo ntobi ma oba mema wa dro bi anopa bi ode bi be yeti anopa ne anwumre no masama ode obenom insha Allah oben nantie anya ofa ahodie bacho tie nie na nkasa ba ya che de bia azema obi frame o kan se yare no media chini a che menya no dro epacho tie eho no meye susum ne honam ne adwuma enti sha se woduro se ba bia yare ni free ba no se wontie ase a mehwe ama wo nduro a obenom a ho beto de bia ya no mkasa do yare media chini ache na menya no odro da bi men kasa bia doctor na ohwe wo no onye sunsun madwuma ho na mani adwuma na oyede oye enti o ma ndunum obeye na fam die nyina wo se de oye nyina waye but enam se wanye sunsun mu die ama wo nti yare no so enye ho na mani mpacho de tieniye ebasa na entumi nko what you say pacho ji number mami 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 epacho tie and when you know, Mr. Ebabaso, a ten abaso, be what dear what you and a ben so when you're there. Ebiat, you're been a one year for our problem night, Ediablo. Diabetes, and also say you're bonnie. Diabetes about what I was also so be a bit more sister, a bit mamma, Honam Diana be a boss and a and not a one here, open Rubia and to me at the anchor. Oba a large vision Herbal Clinic coming over to a drosso, inshallah. Member have a no diabetes in the day, a bit few. So now my baby by her, Nidian high, and the Yankopon ya do mama de nrosa na oba yo se papa se me ba na eba from sa ba na mama e bedu ba bi onuma duro ne biem because o se de bia me ka so bitimi num duro no bia 10 to 20 years entumi nko eno ye num aduro ma ye hotoye wonum aduro du bia ni kwasa we de wonum biem eso do no onum sa wo kwa na nyina wo so ensa wo yare so da so ye de enum enti na ho mo bi na da so diabetes ni aduro mentra mo bi na da so fibroid na aye wo no de bia ya me ka se fibroid akwese se dua ya den ye twa so fibroid de san fefe enti ni se fibroid no beto yem say kim na wo nya akoye operation na first one no be a second one be san fefe obi create me mo ja to me ye den etu no e san fefe bi na akoye be wi ase ne yi wa wo de na ye den afri ho ko se san se dua ne se wutwa so a ne hini na wo from ye den atwi nso ma dua ne fefe ma ne be dua foforo se de bia me sika no enti no sa fibroid no sa na akoye me pa chotie alaji vision ba kren se wudu ho no ma be ma wuduru a wo be no ma be fibroid na ye den afri ho ama wo wani ho ha wo na beto so no so pa chotie e ho me se ye operation ene emfa duro so nya dai engu ani so sisiare bi so na beto audition so obi ho nante no agya ne mpaboa ho ne nante ne nsa no nyina ye otititi stroke no na ye den ebo won kaye esa se wo mogya na wo se di ahunu se woni padua no entumi nya adwuma yie nti woda sore bo se won sa wo se anansi acheme pachoti anansi nye police no wa ye den wachewo wo mogya no na ni akusa ne yie wo ba mema wo nuru a wo benom eyen haban nuru eyen haban nuru a wo benom a ebe na ne wo mogya ne kama ama wa ye den wonya wo fa ahunde sa stroke na ebo won kaye won sa ne won nanu ye otititi no pachoti to na mon be alaji vision herbal clinic won kotodwe wo sisi wo ba bia ye wo ya bia pachoti ti pa bi na beto audition so wodwene ho a won tiase wo de chini ache de bia mka so obetima labs we twa scan bia che wo sisi sa ne mo nyira wo hu de eko to na mon be alaji vision herbal clinic e bia oba bi na ne menses enye de entumi ma de bia ya mka se ma no mesira meka obi ho ne menses na entumi ma ono so a wonyem obi kra se e bia 6 months e bia 8 months ni doc e mada mpachotie e ba sa no a menses na entumi ma no moja fina abeta wa yase no e betima gya otipaye bi e betima gya osisiare e betima ma onanse apagya e betima ma ofuru so ayekese wan hwe ya baka so bi na ayeden e to waduro wo ho abosi ofunu yeden eyekese eyekese obedwe ho won ti ase mpachotie oba alaji vision herbal clinic a mema wonduro a obe no omeses ne beba ye obi so ho eba bete beba na eyeden eye ne ya eno so no ho a obe no ma insha Allah nyakopon ya adoma omeses ne beba kama amonya ofa hodie bia awo ho problem bia beto so e bia wo ye wedding ni wie no how bia beto so ya wo ho hawo mpachotie ne ye obi ho a 7 one be madana nsuo na samba eyeden na wotimi nyem ontumi nyem because nsuo na wo se ekofo ya kwala na se asamba out no oba mema waduro bi ama wa yeden wanom anopa ne anwumre inshallah saade ne begina no mamawo de betima ma won kusia na de atuma gina ya betima nyima fa ho afa oba entra ho mo bi nka nkyerɛ wo se wakoye la wakutwa scan bi yesi we wuntumi nwu bi mu dabi ya gidie se twedi amponyankopɔn adawro ma so ba la division herbal clinic ka obewo kokomremre adom fm kokomremre wo de brajo fm ho na sa adom fm duru ho a bi sa oba la division herbal clinic obi ho a wo akiri sunyane kumase ne bokomo ne ade oka kyerɛ se obi fitamale wo se me biology misro akra minimum akra nti bi besi ameden pachotie baby a obama be sibia VIP station wo si afre yen se wo si pa wo de afre ba manager tuka abefa waba ye hwe wi e be san kwa akosiu amo akodu asomdwe mu e bia prostitute bi na abeto so mpache wo tie wo joso na etumi maye ye wo nuru a obenom be se eyen haban nuru a obenom a inshallah obejo so kama e be firi so nkonkɔ ye operation bia mpache wo tie spiritual marriage bi na abeto so wo da na obi ni wa beda won namu de bia me kasa saade no eno no betima ja gonorrhea ne syphilis bia wo be kɔ hospital wo be labs a twa scan na wo mpane bi entumi nkɔ esanse eye sunsum made o da na obi ni wa beda me pache wo tie e betima bo yare e na ese wo nwuma wa nko ababi obi be wura obekɔ no wura kwa ne ayede na yapam entwa yie mepache oti aware yakra na bitima aware ho yede ma obi wonko ho fefefe so na mabema nyede emfra otu na mo ne bra large vision herbal clinic sa ho boni na aware wo sunsum no so wudu wa inshallah mebɔ mpa ya ma me de be wura mpa bon mama haban ni no bra bi ade adware no mama ode obenom inshallah so sa ade ne tena so bi masalaji wo hia me ayeden twomkɔ me se how bia beto so wodi chini ache wonya no aduru de bia mbu bese mpanifo se wantiti ateche mancha wonya dan wonya supa no because supa no wateche na chi ene watiti ateche macha obi ho se dok ma chini ache si se de me nko ba bia bia yare ran bekumi kristo ni ala se me ni akramo ni nyagidie se enye sa yare ne bekum esa se bible se ni duana ba ye fa haba ne ye de esa yare nti wo ba nyagidie se twedi amponyankopon asem a ye bible konkon aka sa asem wodi a ye komhye konkon muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam won so ka asem bi hadith bi mu wasi yare bia ne ho a ene yeduro se obi ka so mo wadura nya den enye no krenti haba na twedi amponyankopon bagu no awrade nyankopon hyira so man wodi na doma ye den awuram no wodi abedua Dr. Alhaji Idris wadi adua mi mu nti wuduru ho no ma me bom paye na me moduro no inshallah sa hawo na beto so no ebe de ebekɔ mema no sese ye bre ye mema sem no kɔfom oni oba ni hia sesi ya no wa de no waje mu e pa cho me de aduro bi aba ha na me ka dua bi ho asem me pia ipacho bi nhia me ho no wonje na onkori na onhwe ade na hu se twedi amponyankopon hyira bi before onkono no basabi mo kyena wonya 40 years mo so bema enya adwuma biem bebre ya mema no nya adwuma eye nuboni bi o manom obra twedi amponyankopon ache enua kwa me se obɛwe a wobɛda bɛsɔre na obɛma gyina so kama onkono no nuboni bia ema no so awo ho ide ama mo no musimu ntua na momra ema no kyengye omo na mema no so yɛdan tai wo ma no yie ama bibia timi akoyie sa ne o ma no ni ho a aware no sika wo musa kura ne gye nyadan emma mpacho gi number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 mpacho te yare koko me ka koko ho sama kyerɛ mo kakra koko yare bɔne
yɛfa koko de enwie
yes koko betima si wa wo ho kwan sana koko betima gya otiare koko betima gya otiare bia wa hwe ya wo kasa na enka wo koko bia ho a ɛwɔ tirim ɛno na de enum kanka sebe eba ɛna koko bi so wa da wo ɛbɛtia ma wo yema bɔ mu saa wo bɛka sɛ bia wanya hania so na nye hania sɛ hania na anya ayɛ okra ba ɛbɛ ma oduru abɛ no ma bɛde ɛbɛ na ne no na saa twedi amponyakopo akyɛ koko nuro bi ɛyɛ nhaban enubra ɛyɛ makoma ko 7 sɛ wo ba na sɛ me kabo mu a na sɛ me de ma wo no ma inshallah saa koko na ha wa akɔfa eye problem bi abra sɛ bɛyɛ operation fa duro so so na sɛ tani nyina wa bɛyɛ operation no ɛbɛ firi wɔ ni so ayɛ visivisi no ade wa kyira wo hu ɛna ɛbɛn so wo hu wo fa Quran na sɛ Bible a wo ntumi nka na inshallah sɛ wo duro amema wo duro benuma saade ni nyina beden ebe free so akọ location ne kokomremre Adom FM hotel bi of Rex hotel ni ne di nhwani mu
na fa number no so nka
yes what number 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 location here Kokomremre Joy FM Kokomremre Joy FM
and Adom FM
yes
Omo akrado beba
enti dodo akonya ba ko fontra so nche enti enti fo ba bia wo bia fa number na frame wo hawo ne amane bia beto so esunsum ne honama ni pacho frame abino ntwetwe nkomo inshallah yakoma so dien kamo
good yakoma so dien kamo so dok ya dama se nyame ya Adom ebe se hia biem enti abusuan ha ne amane nyina no ne last stop na Abusia, your trust in your queen. My happy birthday going out to Akuvi Johnson of Tema. And this one's coming from Jackie Paha of Poba Catering Services, Tema Community 2. A short while ago, I made a catch show, I come a catch show of Live Boy Liquid Hand Wash. Abusia, papa. Yeah, show fake. Yeah, come for the Panama. And so, we need the idea, because no be correct come out. And say Live Boy Liquid Hand Wash. And on the papa, and no Emma 10 times better germ protection. The active silver ingredient, no Emma superior protection against all germs, yet very gentle on your skin. And no any Live Boy Liquid Hand Wash. Tianwa PBH. And then there's something new in the all-new close-up Ever Fresh. Say our triple fresh formula. It cleans, protects, and cools. Thanks to the powerful combination of 1, a purifying gel, and then 2, an antibacterial mouthwash formula, and then 3, ice cool crystals that cleans, fights up to 90%, bacteria. And then intensely cools. Opa also who said a tiano say, Sana Jumana can suffer a penny boy. What that brush, Can send it when you mean and said they're watching from a crack away. Joe? What's so this one there, Charlie, it keeps you protected and fresh long after brushing. Close up. Triple fresh formula. Cleans, protects, and cools. Go grab yours now. And that's what it is. There is good news. Good news, man. Some na me can. Mami chemu trust se real quick. Mami chanto smart sharp se Me patro reach oko competition na ye kan wa sem a ya bon dawura bo. Se no breaking news no mun say. Closing date for submission of entries no. Anka 30th September you know. Ya de bury you know. Ya twum. Ya extending on. They are called the 15th of October 2021. Eti patro foundation be natural. Foundation be natural yo. Na cash in there so to be DB. What is it? So what primary JHS and now SHS now we're gonna have pretty simple ultra essay our brown address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians, and when you say handwriting, ultra we are now parents and our guardian and our class teacher I endorse it. Now I attach it 10 empty packs of rich choco 20 grams and now 1 empty pack of 500 grams and now say 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich choco. Now they are carrying a handwritten essay in home. Now I'm dropping off at the Accra Central Post Office, at Dental Post Office, at Chimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet, or Kaneshi, I feel so East Legon, Tishi, Tema, Frafraha, Madina, La Paz, Kissiman. Sounds a bit me and Melu, the India called the Rich Choco National Essay Competition, P.O. Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. Kai says to say closing date for submission of entries has been extended to the 15th of October 2021. Obet me ako Cadbury Rich Choco Facebook and our Instagram pages for further details. Yeah, Kofi, but make no forget say numbers day everywhere. In look around you. Numbers baby. One mobile phone no crowd 10 digits now soon now bet me and sabi trap. Obedi. What I say? Can be actually this car nice. Oh, check out the number. Don't trouble now baby. Numbers everywhere. We have 590 mobile. Very simple. And also be dial star 959 hash to play 590 mobile lotto on your phone right now. Now sweat me in your cash BD. Very easy to win. It mean yo problems need a dozen. But mudu do na cash kakra be do tomorrow to solve our problems no. It mean just dial star 959 hash or visit 590mobile.com.gh to play too sure, direct or PAM. 590 mobile. Head down some. Now let's slow it down, baby. Slow down. Yeah, y'all. His name is day on your show. Feel cancel for me today because today happens to be his birthday. His name is Edric Nyako of St. Paul's Methodist JHS Form 3 from the father Papa P of the Feel Cancel WhatsApp group. And today happens to be the birthday of one good friend of mine. Oh, Mr. Sidney Officer. Yes, sir. I want to rhyme with your name, sir. Happy birthday to you, bro. May God bless you. Hope so be very fine. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy many more years to come your way, yeah? Not cash no some ram more, you know what I'm saying? Have a good one, bro.
for? Tell me what's the hold up.
And a happy birthday also going out to Grace Inshra. Nah, Inshra Boutique, Springtest Basket. May God bless you and supply you all your needs from your brothers, Mr. Isaac Dako and Mr. Nicholas Anna. And this one here also says good afternoon to my beloved wife, Mrs. Felicity Akwe. May you live long for me and our children. I love you too much. Hey, Nico. How dare you? Tell me what you my beautiful Nelly, Mamle, Malik, and I say, where Malik? Let's go. Otubwa turns a year today, and you obey the mood do. I pray for wisdom, good health, long life, inclusive, God's favor. And she should excel in all her endeavors. From your daddy, Elder Nathaniel, Tate Nati, Noble, Otubwa. Plenty love to you. And then another happy birthday going out to my twins, Mary and Mata boy. Okay. Shouts going out to you, Jeffrey Riafe. What's up? Cause if we gonna get into it, I know the things are don't need to be. We also say good evening, Dickin. Please, a happy birthday, though belated. And come on, Pastor Owusu Nyako, aka Man Friday of the Lord's Parliament Chapel of Doko Uptown. From the wife Susie and the children. Enjoy your 70th anniversary. So I say, please wish my coordinator, DSP Benedicta Ofuri Ejiakwa of Glorious, wish her a glorious happy birthday for me. Wishing her a long life, good health, and prosperity. She is the DOVSU coordinator of our Shaman division. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's surely going to take us to check our time. Then to check us from our Vodafone. And as you already know, and a Vodafone good morning off on El Edemao. So bet me I enjoy unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and then 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer. Only one Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. Abusuya Edwest, Nyami Aduma, we are back again same time tomorrow near the midweek's edition at Twaso the Amount. The news is up next. My name is Jerry Justice. As always, push you on you and watch you and watch you at It's on serious Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening. We are out of here.